welcome back to my channel. Today get ready for an epic adventure as we explore Busan in 48 hours. Busan is the second largest city in Korea, and if you're a BTS fan, it's also Jungkook's and Jimin's hometown. Nestled along the beautiful coastline of South Korea, it is a bustling metropolis bursting with culture, cuisine, and countless attractions waiting to be discovered. Busan offers everything from stunning beaches and local markets to historic temples and breathtaking vistas. For my stay in Busan, I chose the Westin Joseon Busan Hotel. Situated in the bustling Haeundae district, it offers unparalleled views of the city skyline and easy access to area's top attractions. It is situated right by Haeundae Beach, renowned for its soft sandy shores, crystal clear waters, and vibrant atmosphere. There are giant sculptures that appear to float in the water, making the views doubly interesting. Although May is still the off-season for most beaches in Busan, with peak seasons typically running from late June to August, the beaches are nonetheless filled with tourists and the seaside nightlife thrives most of the year. Let's get started with the day, shall we? First off on the list is the viral Hyundai Blueline Sky Capsule. This awesome attraction takes you on a scenic ride along the coastline, giving you the stunning views of beach and ocean. You get to ride in these colorful retro-style capsule that travels along an elevated rail, making the whole experience super fun and totally worth the hype. Here are some tips so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. Tip number 1. It's best to purchase tickets in advance online to secure your preferred time slot, as the Sky Capsule is very popular and it often sells out quickly. The sunset slots are especially hard to get, so I ended up riding it at 5 pm, although the view was stunning even then. Tip number 2. Try to book the capsule starting from Mipo Station to Cheongsapo Station. Starting from Mipo, you'll be on the right side of the tracks getting better views. And the last tip, number 3. The online website is a little buggy and doesn't let you book through international credit cards, so keep that in mind. I was able to book through my phone after multiple tries. If you're not able to secure the ticket for Sky Capsule, there's also an option available for the beach rail, which runs below the Sky Capsule, and for those who prefer to explore on foot, there's also a scenic walkway that runs parallel to the rail line. As you approach Cheongsapo Station, you will be greeted by the sight of various aesthetically pleasing lighthouses. I took some time to explore the charming gift shops and strolled over to the lighthouse for a closer look, discovering an abundance of cozy cafes along the way. Opting for the more immersive experience, you can choose to walk back to Haeundae Beach like me via the scenic walkway during sunset. And it was absolutely breathtaking. This pathway lets you soak in the stunning coastal scenery at your own pace, with plenty of lookout points and attractions to stop and enjoy. Whether you ride the beach rail or take a leisurely stroll along the walkway, you'll be treated to an unforgettable experience of Busan's picturesque coastline. There's no wrong choice here, both options are simply amazing. On reaching back to Mipo Station, I discovered this beautiful arch of flowers known as the Flower Road, which was donated on BTS Jungkook's birthday in 2021. You will find many references of BTS all over Busan, including Jimin's dad's cafe Magnet. It's day 2 and we are starting off the day with Dongbaek Coastal Walk at New Haeundae Beach. You'll find the iconic Princess Hwangak mermaid statue and the view of Hwanggan Bridge, creating an exciting and culturally rich experience. Next we head to Gamcheon Cultural Village, a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors and artistic expressions, where narrow streets are adorned with whimsical murals and sculptures, creating a charming and photogenic atmosphere. Visitors can explore the maze-like alleys lined with quirky cafes, art galleries, and handicraft shops while learning about village's transformation from a humble settlement to a thriving cultural hub. Don't miss the chance to snap a photo with Little Prince statue and send a postcard from Postbox of Dreams. Keep an eye out for the murals featuring BTS member Jimin and Jungkook, adding a touch of celebrity allure to your exploration. Just a short car ride away, you can embark on the exhilarating Songdo Cable Car adventure, offering panoramic views of Busan's coastline and cityscapes as it soars over Songdo Beach. Our next destination, Shinsegae Mall. Dive into Gentle Monster for trendy eyewear, then indulge in the ultimate pampering at the luxurious Centium City Spa. With rejuvenating massages and lavish treatments, you'll feel refreshed after a day of shopping and sightseeing. To wrap up your incredible journey, hop on the KTX bullet train from Busan to Seoul. You might remember this from Train to Busan. Unlike the movie, it's a hassle-free and comfortable way to travel, letting you sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride while taking in the sights. What an epic adventure exploring Busan in less than 2 days. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you next time.